Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best waterproof metal detectors that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the XPDAIS Wireless Waterproof Metal Detector. XPDAIS Wireless Metal Detector is a fully lightweight and compact model. It comes with a 9 inches x 35 dd waterproof and wireless search coil. Most importantly, it comprises WS4 wireless backphone headphones and they are packed with removable electronic control settings. You might be wondering why to specifically buy this detector? Here you can know about that. It offers you with 5-year parts as well as labor warranty. Most noteworthy, this model is featured with audio response and iron level settings. It gives multi-tone, ground balance, and 4 non-motion modes. The delivery of extended discrimination range and the induction of 9 pre-configured factory programs is another important feature of it. You may use this detector as it serves you with exceptional comfort, top-notch speed, and performance. It is the most popular metal detector that we have suggested to you. Moving on at number 4, we have the Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker IV Water Resistant Metal Detector. Moving to the review details of Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker IV Metal Detector, this is another recommended model for you. Most probably, you may prefer to buy this rugged metal detector as it is best to be used for detecting metal treasure in any of the extreme ground conditions. It runs on the motion all metal mode. There is a discrimination mode, as well as 2-tone audio mode present in it. Apart from that, it is its disc notch control settings that allow you to distinguish right between targets and all sorts of unwanted metals. Before you plan to buy this detector, you need to know that its operating frequency is 6.7 kHz. It is encompassed by the target strength meter. Its discrimination control fully allows you to eliminate any of the undesirable targets. This same product consists of a built-in speaker. It discovers coin-sized targets that are up to 6 inches deep. At number 3, we have the Canway Waterproof Metal Detector. Canway Metal Detector is composed of armrest design. A large number of professionals have suggested the use of this detector. The induction of armrest design brings the user in a comfortable state while using it. Besides, it gives high accuracy detecting power. It means you can conveniently identify the type of metal that you have discovered by hearing its distinctive audio tones. Moreover, with the help of the pinpointer function, this detector will pinpoint and specific a target precisely and accurately for the user. So, what have you planned? Do try out using this waterproof metal detector. It is further composed of a large backlit LCD screen. This screen is here to display depth, operating mode and also sensitivity level, battery condition, as well as volume level. The installation of a waterproof search coil lets you use this detector even underwater. At number 2, we have the PudiBe Fully Waterproof Metal Detector. If you are looking for a detector that offers 360-degree detective range, then do get your hands on this PudiBe Fully Waterproof Metal Detector. Most noteworthy, it is made by using the latest and high-quality waterproof materials. It lets you experience small scale and precise positioning that the rest of the large metal detectors fails to do. This is a portable and highly lightweight model. It delivers one-touch operation settings. As this is a waterproof detector, for the reason that it allows you to discover underwater treasures. It serves offer and practical use and both adults and kids can hassle-free use it. Lastly, you will get 1 metal detector pinpointer, 1 holster, 1 9V power as well as 1 retractable hanging wire. Upon buying it, the package is included with the English user manual as well as 12-month worry-free warranty time. And finally at number 1, we have the DR.ÖTEK IP68 Waterproof Metal Detector. Here comes our last recommendation and it is this DR.ÖTEK IP68 Waterproof Metal Detector. It can be used in lakes, rivers. Most certainly, you can immerse this detector in ponds and oceans. It can quickly locate any of the historic wrecks. It is fully submersible and offers 32 feet in depth. It comes with a very sensitive kind of 360-degree pinpointer. Its purpose is to precisely locate and look for any of the targets accurately. And it is its one-button operation that transforms this pinpointer extremely and immensely easy to use. The induction of 4-level LEDs is going to allow you accurately pinpoint any kind of metal objects in all sorts of environments. Give this gift to your friends and your family. It is available in a compact size and offers lasting use. No matter you want to find metal screws or thumbtacks, then Detector can help you right away. It assists you while looking for your lost jewelry. It is high time to avoid unnecessary digging and start using these detectors. You can use it both in the indoor and outdoor premises and make your treasure hunting job memorable. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.